Good morning. Okay, in this video we're going to cover the startup procedure for the Hardrock50 amplifier when connected to the Icom 705. The little black box that sits on top of the amplifier is the Hardrock PCB Icom 705 interface, and it now has the add-in board that allows the tuner inside the amplifier to look like a standard Icom tuner to the Icom 705. What that means is it will allow the radio to control and drive tuning cycles, whether it's when you key up to talk or you tap the tuner button on the radio interface. So let's go through a startup here. To begin using this, you start first by turning on the Hardrock50 amplifier, and then turning on the Icom 705. And if you'll watch here, as the Icom 705 boots and then Bluetooth starts, it will automatically connect to the tuner. And there you can see it's recognizing the Hardrock amplifier. So back over here, and you see the Bluetooth light on the tuning interface is illuminated, meaning that the interface is talking to the radio. Now, it takes three connections. It takes a Bluetooth connection, it takes an audio cable connection to the tuner jack on the radio, and also takes an audio jack, a 3.5 millimeter audio jack connection to the ALC connection on the radio. So it's not all wireless, it's not all seamless. You do have to connect a bunch of cables, but it works well. So I'm hooked up to dummy load. I'm just going to do a few test transmissions just to show how it works. So first of all, let me change hands here as I hold this. Come in here. I'm going to change frequencies on the radio. Excuse me, not frequencies. I'm going to change bands. So we're going to go to 20 meters. Okay. And you'll notice here the tuner automatically changed bands. Let me go back to 40 meters, and you notice 40 meters. I am going to go to 10 meters. Notice the amplifier follows along, and that's what the interface is doing. It's driving the amplifier to follow along on band changes. We'll go back to 20 meters. Okay, and I am going to pick up the microphone, and I'm just going to key it up, and you'll see that the radio will drive a tuning cycle that is picked up by the amplifier. Okay, tuned OK. SWR is 1.5. Key up. W8BYH, test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're putting out at peak envelope power is about 49 to 50 out. Okay. And that is being driven by 35% power, which is 3.5 watts. So overall, it's a pretty slick implementation. It works well. If there was only one complaint I would have, it's that the physical robustness of the interface, the black box, isn't quite there. It's kind of just a well, I just wish it was more rugged construction. I won't pick it up and show you, but the back of the box is actually open to the elements because of the additional 3.5 millimeter jack receptacle that you have to install as part of that upgrade. But okay, beyond that, it actually works well. And I'm actually very happy with the whole setup. Going to do some more testing, but right now it looks like it's about ready for prime time. Thanks for following along, W8BYH. Have a good day.